She eats an apple. She eats an apple. She ate an apple. She ate an apple. She will eat an apple. She will eat an apple. He reads a book. He reads a book. He read a book. He read a book. He will read a book. We watch TV. We watch TV. We watched TV. We watched TV. We will watch TV. We will watch TV. She sings a song. She sings a song. She sang a song. She sang a song. She will sing a song. She will sing a song. I write a letter. I write a letter. I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. I will write a letter. I will write a letter. I like coffee. I like coffee. I liked coffee. I liked coffee. I will like coffee. I will like coffee. She bakes cookies. She bakes cookies. She baked cookies. She baked cookies. She will bake cookies. She will bake cookies. She studies hard. She studies hard. She studied hard. She studied hard. She will study hard. She will study hard. I clean my room. I clean my room. I cleaned my room. I cleaned my room. I will clean my room. I will clean my room. She takes photos. She takes photos. She took photos. She took photos. She will take photos. She will take photos. She enjoys cooking. She enjoys cooking. She enjoyed cooking. She enjoyed cooking. She will enjoy cooking. She will enjoy cooking. I play chess. I play chess. I played chess. I played chess. I will play chess. I will play chess. I help my neighbors. I help my neighbors. I helped my neighbors. I helped my neighbors. I will help my neighbors. I will help my neighbors. We play music together. We play music together. We played music together. We played music together. We will play music together. We will play music together. I ride my bicycle. I ride my bicycle. I rode my bicycle. I rode my bicycle. I will ride my bicycle. I will ride my bicycle. She loves her dog. She loves her dog. She loved her dog. She loved her dog. She will love her dog. She will love her dog. I draw pictures. I draw pictures. I drew pictures. I drew pictures. I will draw pictures. I will draw pictures. She listens to music. She listens to music. She listened to music. She listened to music. She will listen to music. She will listen to music. He plays the guitar. He plays the guitar. He played the guitar. He played the guitar. He will play the guitar. He will play the guitar.